everyone. Once again welcome back to Vinu's channel. This is Vinu's Uniqueness. Today we are going to move a new topic, that is Vocabulary Enhancer episode 2. Each word that we use can have a colossal impact. Words influence others and build relationships at work and personally. They can tear down relationships. Simply put, language holds massive, colossal power to manifest change. Shall we enhance our vocabulary? Right. And the first word is insurgent. The first vocabulary enhancer word is insurgent. Insurgent is a noun word which means rebel. Synonyms: revolutionary and mutineer. Antonym: loyalist. Example sentence: the armed insurgents planned an attack. So the first word is insurgent. It is a noun word which means rebel. The next one is spectacular. Spectacular is an adjective which means impressive. Synonyms: magnificent and splendid. Antonym: unimpressive. Example sentence: the party suffered a spectacular loss in the election. So the second word is spectacular. It is an adjective which means impressive. And the third word, another one is inept. Inept is an adjective which means incompetent. Synonyms: unskillful, unskilled. Antonym: competent. Example sentence: the referee was inept to handle the match. The next one is astonishing. Astonishing is an adjective which means surprising. Synonyms: impressive and amazing. Antonym: unimpressive. Example sentence: all his achievements are nothing short of astonishing. So the word is astonishing. It is an adjective which means surprising. The next word is startle. Surprise. Startle is a verb which means surprise. Synonyms: frighten and scare. Antonym: put at ease. Example sentence: a sudden sound in the doorway startled her. And the other word is apparently. Apparently is an adverb which means seemingly. Synonyms: evidently and ostensibly. Antonym: improbably. Example sentence: the child nodded, apparently content with the promise. The next word is disquiet. Disquiet is a noun which means unease. Synonyms: uneasiness and worry. Antonyms: calm. Example sentence: there is disquiet about animal testing among general public. Next word is controversial. Controversial is an adjective which means contentious. Synonyms: disputed and contended. Antonym: uncontroversial. Example sentence: the dispute continued to be controversial for years. So the word is controversial. It is an adjective which means contentious. The next word is considerable. Considerable is an adjective which means sizable. Synonyms: substantial and appreciable. Antonym: paltry. Example sentence: he is in a position of considerable influence. The next word, precede. Precede is the last vocabulary enhancer in this session. It is a verb which means lead up to. Synonyms: pave the way for and set the scene for. Antonym: follow. Example sentence: a gun battle had preceded the explosions. So today in this session we studied 10 vocabulary enhancers. So try to study these 10 words and their sentences. It would be very great for enhancing our vocabulary. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And kindly give your descriptions or message in our message box. Thank you.